Hi, my name's Jessica, and I'm a library clerk here at the Maston Public Library. Today, I'm here to show you our latest Take and Make craft for February 2020, which is this little Valentine's Day man. This little Valentine's Day man puppet. He's really cute and he's really easy to make. So I'm going to show you how to put that together today. So when you come to the library, we will have these Take and Make craft kits, which will be to the, if you come in the front door, it'll be to your right. There'll be some shelves and you'll see this little guy hanging up. You can come in and grab a kit as long as, we still have supplies for them. So what comes in your kit is up here. You're going to find a template printed onto red cardstock, which is going to have a big heart and 4 little hearts. You'll also find 2 long strips of white cardstock and 2 shorter strips of white cardstock. You can see you'll have long ones and slightly shorter ones. These will be his legs, the longer ones, and the shorter ones will be his arms. And you'll also get 2 big googly eyes for him. So there'll be 2 of those inside your kit. There we go, 2 googly eyes. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your template. Oh, what I should say is what you'll need for this. Everything is included except you'll just need some scissors to cut out your template, some glue to assemble your Valentine's Day man, and some sort of drawing implement. That can be a marker or a crayon or whatever you'd like to just finish up drawing his face. So first thing you're going to do is when you take everything out of your kit is you're going to cut out the large heart and these 4 little hearts. This is going to be his body. These are going to be his hands and feet. So to save on time, I have already done that. I've already got the heart cut out, the 1 big heart, the 4 little hearts here. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take our white strips here and we're going to take them one at a time and we're going to fold them accordion style, which means back and forth. So, and this can you can do it whatever size you'd like, depending on how wobbly you want his arms and legs. You can do it like a, smaller accordion. So you fold it over this way and then you fold it back the other way and just keep doing that back and forth. So fold it forward, fold it backwards, fold it forwards, fold it backwards. So that way you get this accordion effect. And it doesn't have to be perfect. It doesn't have to line up exactly, make a perfect straight line. It's just however you want your little puppet guy to be. And then if you end up at the end and you have a little left over from where you were folding, that's okay because we'll use this. You don't have to make sure you have a little left over, but if you do, it's okay because we'll use that as the point to glue it onto his body. So there is 1 leg, and I'll do the other leg. Again, you're just folding back and forth, just to make him a little accordion fold. Real simple. You don't have to go as fast as I'm going. I'm just going a little faster for time. And again, I've got a little left over and I'm just going to leave it like that for when I glue it on. So then take the shorter strips for his arms and same thing. You're just going to do an accordion fold back and forth until you're happy with how that looks. And with his other arm. And again, it doesn't have to be perfect, doesn't have to line up, doesn't have to go in an exact straight line. It can be a little wonky, that's okay. Okay, so now I've got 2 shorter accordions into longer accordions. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my heart, I'm going to take my glue stick, and let's see if I can get my computer down here to show my work surface. So I'm going to take my little heart template, and I'm going to take one of my accordions here, and there we go. I've kind of lost, oops, no, I think this is a leg. This is a leg, and this is an arm, and this is an arm. Okay. I kind of lost it there for a second. So I'm going to put some glue across the top of this, and I'm just going to stick it to the side of the heart, like a little more than halfway up towards the top. And you can have it, you can have his arms kind of in whatever attitude you want. You can have them up, you can have them right out to the side, you can have them down a little, whatever you want. And then I need some more of my glue stick out here. I'm going to do that on the other side too. I'm going to add a little bit of glue. I'm going to stick it to his body. So now he's got two arms. I'm going to do the same thing with the legs, except I'm going to put them down here by the point at the bottom of his body. And put a little bit of glue on. Stick it right there. And that'll stick pretty good. Not much fuss. Then I'm going to take my 4 hearts here that I have for his hands and his feet, and I'm going to put some glue on the top half. You don't want to put it on the whole back because, well, I mean, I guess you could, but I'm just going to put, so that part of it is hanging off the bottom. So that's why I don't want to put glue on the whole heart, because otherwise then there would just be, glue out here. I just put it on the top half. So I can put it just on the end here. So he's got a little hand. Again, I'm going to put some glue on the top half of the heart. I can stick it on the other side. Now he's got 2 hands. Then I'm going to do the same thing to the legs. I'm going to put some glue top half of the back. And I'm just going to stick it to the bottom of his leg. Same thing. Stick it to the bottom. So there, we've got him with his arms and his legs attached. We can kind of adjust, as we need to. Now, I'm going to attach the googly eyes. I'm going to take my 2 googly eyes. If you want, you can kind of, position them. You can kind of see, how you want him to look. You can kind of, check where you'd like his eyes to be. And then once you've got them where you want them to be, go ahead, put some glue on the back. And go ahead and stick that on. Put some glue on the back of the other one. Oops. Oh, my glue stick fell out. I'm running out of glue on this one. We got just enough. Okay. So we're going to stick his other eye on. Go ahead and let that. Put glue on him. Then I'm going to take my marker or my crayon or whatever it is that I have and give him a nice little happy smile. My eyes don't fall off. Show you the finished product here. Here he is. There's my little Valentine's Day man. And also, you know, you can get as creative as you want. You can color all over. You can color his arms and legs. You can, you know, make little drawings on him. You can give him whatever expression you'd like. And he will be your little Valentine's Day guy, your little puppet to play with for Valentine's Day. So that's it. That's how you make the little Valentine's Day man take and make craft kit that we have here for February 2022. They'll be available at the Maston Public Library as long as supplies last, just to the right of the door, and just come in and see us and pick it up. And the instructions are right here on our YouTube page. So thank you all for watching. I hope you have a great day and a happy Valentine's Day. Bye.